In today's video, I will show you how to check someone's repost on TikTok. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open up TikTok apps in your phone. Once you are in here, you have to select the video which you want to see as a repost. Here is the option of this share. You have to click on it. Now you can repost on your account. Once you click on the repost, you have to go on the comments. And here, as you can see, here is the video has been reposted. Now you can remove this video. To see this video again, you have to go on your profile. Click on this three bar, go in the settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll down. Here is the option of the watch history. You have to click on it. Now here you can see your repost video. So this is how you can check someone's repost on the TikTok. So this is for today. Thanks for watching this video.